Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to display your date of birth to only the people you follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest update, you have more control than ever over who can see your birthday details. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to x.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Profile to enter your personal page. Once you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button near the top right of your profile banner. Click on it to open up your profile editing options. Now, scroll down until you see the birth date section. Click on Birth Date and then select Edit again when the pop-up window appears. This will allow you to customize who can view your birth date information. Here's where you can fine-tune your privacy settings. For the month and day, click the Visibility option and select People you follow. This means only the accounts you follow will be able to see the month and day you were born. Next, do the same for the year. Set it to People you follow as well. This ensures your full birth date is only visible to those you've chosen to follow. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. Your birthday details are now shared exclusively with the people you follow, giving you more privacy and control over your personal information. With just these quick and easy steps, you can share your special day with your followers and let them celebrate with you. So go ahead and update your birth date on X today and make your online experience a little more personal and secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.